This is Property Cloud, your favorite PropTech service. And today I am here at Mahim at Suraj Eterna. Now, before I tell you about this project, I need to tell you a lot about Suraj Estate Developers because they are one amazing developers with multiple ongoing projects, multiple awards and multiple accolades. Let's start right over here. They have a 37-year-old legacy in building across 42 plus projects in residential and commercial segments. They have collaborated for over across 10 lakh square feet at prime locations, and they have been developing throughout Mumbai, offering amazing premium projects. They have won multiple awards like the Developer of the Year 2020, the 40 Under 40 Realty Plus Lifetime Achievement Award, Brand of the Year, Luxury Realty Partner, Promising Developer, and many more. Now, here are some ongoing projects of Suraj, and they are Saraswat Bank, Ocean Star, The Pellet, Emmanuel. You can already see it on the map as well. It has been tagged. And these are some upcoming projects that are expected to be delivered very soon in Bandra, Mahim, Dadar, Prabhadevi, Lower Parel, Bahaikala, and many more. Now, this was about the company. But what about the project? Stay with me, I'm just gonna tell you. And now about Suraj Eterna. This is a freehold land parcel of about 800 square meters where there's going to be one tower which will be of ground plus 20 floors. Now, the ground floor and the first floor is going to be commercial. That's the ground floor is going to be retail and the first floor would be for back-end offices or maybe a bank. Uske upar, the 19 floors of residential are going to be premium 1 and 2 BHK apartments with different configurations, and your amenities would be on the 20th floor and the rooftop. They have multiple amenities like an indoor gymnasium, a yoga area, a children's play area, a library, and many more. Now it's time to tell you about the configurations. The 1 BHK starts from 350 square feet until 434 square feet, and the 2 BHK starts from 633 square feet. The pricing begins from 1.65 crore onwards for the basic 1 BHK. Now, along with this, the 1 BHK, the one that is 434 square feet, you will also get an additional area of about 20 to 21 square feet area which will be given in the dry balcony space. Now, as you already know, the speciality about this location, it is of course located in Mahim, South Bombay, from where you get the best of views of the sea. In fact, the sea is just about 800 meters from here. Along with that, the upcoming Mahim metro station is going to be hardly 150 meters from here, and the railway station is just about 500 meters from this place. Of course, we all know that there are going to be multiple education institute, malls and multiplexes in the nearby vicinity, and this is the most happening place in Bombay, and this is the place where you need to book your house. Oh, but how are you going to do that? Stay with me, I'm just going to tell that to you. Now that you've seen the property, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process work. Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is captions mein there is a link mentioned. You need to click on that link. Once you do that, our salesperson will get in touch with you, and as I told you, will take you on free site visits, will also help you with the booking process, brokerage free with best offers and everything else. But along with that, you need to actually first of all register. तो उसके लिए जल्दी से कीजिए कैप्शन के ऊपर क्लिक, इसमें आपको मिल सकेगी लिंक. Or do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can see the best of properties across the globe at one destination right over here at Property Club. Stay tuned to us for the best of properties in your town.